This is how to fix there was a problem parsing the package. So let's get into it and fix this error. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your settings and then search here for unknown apps. So once you find it, just tap to open it. So here you have to just search for your Chrome browser and then tap to open it and make sure that you allow this from the source. So once you're done, you have to just minimize this window and then open your Play Store and then click on your profile icon at the top right corner and now click on the Play Protect. Here just click on the settings icon at the top right corner. Now you have to just make sure that these two options are turning off. So now you have to just close this window as well. Once you're done, you have to just open your browser and now you have to just search for your application in which you are facing such type of the parsing problem. So once you open it, you have to just simply search for that app. Like I am searching here for Disney Plus Hotstar. So what you need to do, simply download your app from here, and then once you download it, you have to just again open your download folder in the file manager and then try again to install it, and this time your problem of parsing package will be fixed. So let me show it is fixed or not. So I just open my download folder here, and this time I just try to install this application from here, and you can see that without any parsing problem it is installing here. So that's how can you fix your problem. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.